By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out rib muscles. Did you know that strengthening your rib muscles can improve your overall stability and breathing efficiency? In this video, we're diving into the best exercises to target those often overlooked muscles around your ribs. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, these exercises are essential for a well-rounded workout routine. We'll cover rib muscle anatomy, understanding the muscles around your ribs and their importance, warm-up, essential stretches to prepare your rib muscles for a workout, core rib connection, exercises that engage both your core and rib muscles, isolation exercises, targeted moves to specifically strengthen rib muscles, breathing techniques, how proper breathing enhances rib muscle workouts. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Let's start with some basic anatomy. The muscles around your ribs include the intercostal muscles, which play a crucial role in breathing and stabilizing your torso. A well-balanced workout for these muscles not only improves your respiratory function, but also enhances your overall athletic performance. First, warm up with some dynamic stretches. Arm circles and side stretches will help loosen up your rib muscles and prepare them for the workout ahead. Next, we'll move on to some core rib connection exercises. Planks and side planks are excellent for engaging both your core and rib muscles. Make sure to keep your form tight, with your body in a straight line and your core engaged. Now, let's isolate the rib muscles. Exercises like the seated twist and standing side bends are perfect for targeting the intercostals. Use a light dumbbell for added resistance and perform slow, controlled movements to maximize the effectiveness. Proper breathing techniques are vital. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing not only helps you perform these exercises better, but also strengthens the muscles around your ribs. Focus on slow, deep breaths, filling your lungs completely. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. To recap, we've covered the importance of rib muscles, essential warm-ups, core and isolation exercises, and the role of breathing techniques. Incorporate these exercises into your routine to build a stronger, more stable torso. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps me create more valuable content for you. Keep pushing your limits, and I'll see you in the next video.